if you want to allow the users only a certain amount of time to complete the form, then you can do that as well by doing the time duration setup inside of Microsoft Forms. So to do that, you can see that I have my form opened up. And to add in a time duration, you can go around and click on the three dot button over here. And then over here, you can go around under settings. So once you do that, you can see that the options that you can enable and disable appears. And one of them is set time duration. So if I were to go around and enable this, you can see that by default, a 30-minute timer is added in. But let's say for this particular form, I just want to go around and provide 2 minutes. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now you see 2 minutes on the top. And if I were to go around onto preview right here, then it shows 2 minutes just like this, as you can see right here. It says this is a time form. So it tells the user that this is a time form right here. So once you start, you can't pause the timer. So if I were to go around and click on start, then what happens is that you see the timer up over here on the top as well. So you can go around, collapse and expand this, as you can see right here. And as they fill out the form, they will see the timer. And if the timer runs out, then it'll simply close out the form right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize the time duration setup. And if you want to remove the time duration again, you can go around and click on the three dot button and then go to settings and disable the set timer duration again. And then if you were to go to preview, you don't see the time duration once again. So that is how you can use the time duration setup inside of Microsoft Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.